How to add Etsy shop to Instagram. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can add your Etsy store to your Instagram account. It is very easy and very simple. In today's video I am going to show you the easiest and the most simple way and method to apply. There is another feature or another option which include the social media or the Facebook Meta Business Suite, but I'm going to let you see here the most simplest way. Now, we are going to begin with signing to Etsy. This is the first step. The second step is to go to your store. In my case here, I have already set my store. Then I am going simply to click on the store, stock your shop right there. I'm going to see here the products that I have listed already, or you can go ahead to set any product by adding a new product right there. Now, let's say that we have added the product, as you can see, or the bunch of products that we have made. We are simply going to click on the products. We are going to seek for the titles, for example, and the photos. You can go ahead and select the photos, get them and save them, or if you have them on your desktop, it is okay. So we are going to make them to shine. Here, the next step that you need to do is to open an account within Linktree and open Canva also. And finally, you have to sign in to your Instagram account. Now, let's go ahead and begin a step by step. In this method, we are going simply to create some posts for the products that we have made or we are going to sell on Etsy using the help of the design tool called Canva to create the right dimensions and the right elements of the posts, and Linktree to link multiple products from our store. Now, let's go and begin with the first product. Let's say that we are going to set this t-shirt. I'm going simply to open up Canva, then create a design or search on the search bar. I'm going to type simply Instagram post. And from here, we are going to click on enter. Here we have the right dimensions and also the templates for an Instagram post. You have only to select a template, then we are going to proceed the work with it. Let's say that I have chosen, for example, this one. This is a free template. I will choose it, click on it, and then I will simply click on customize this template. Now, we have the template open. We have the elements. I'm going to delete the elements that is on the template, for example, right there. Let's say that we need this sticker and also follow this. Let's say here I'm going to put the name of my store or my Instagram account. Here we have it. I'm going to copy it, copy that, go back to here on Canva, follow. I'm going to put here the name of my Instagram page like that. And now let's say there we have the Premium Women's crew neck t-shirt. I'm simply going to download this image right here. Let's say that I'm going to put it here. I'm going to put this one and that one, save it also right there, and finally this one. These are the mockups. When you create these mockups on Etsy, you can go ahead and download them directly, or if you have, for example, a POD platform such as let's say Printify or something like that, you can go ahead and use it. Now, let's go ahead to Canva, then upload the images. Go ahead right here, select all the images that we have downloaded already, and we are going for them to load up right there. In the meantime, I am going to modify some of the elements that I have right here. I'm going to modify the background post. Let's say that we are going to this color. Maybe this color is mustard. It is better maybe. Here we are going to modify the sticker color like that. I'm going to put it something greener, maybe like that. I'm going to upload the files again. Here we have them. And simply we are going to put them right there. I'm going to put the position of them on the back like that. Simply, you can go ahead and make them bigger or smaller. It is up to you. For example, you can go ahead and create this whole image as a template. For example, like that. You can go ahead and create it as a template. It is up to you, like that. You can make it right here, and here we have it. This is the first image. This is just an example. You can go ahead and put some effects for the neon right there. Put it like this. Maybe I will make it a little bit smaller and put the color of it. You can go ahead and put the color, or you can put it as a glitch or a outline. I'm going to put this one here. We have it. You can put a shape of it, or you can let it as it is. Now for the sticker I have here, I'm going to put, for example, like here, I'm going to add a let's say a header. Put right this. I'm going to delete that. I'm going to put it best seller like that. I'm going to align this to the middle. Here we have it. Make it a little bit like that, and here we have it. Now I'm going to rotate it a little bit to match the sticker, and here we have it. You can go ahead and add some stars. Let's say we are going to add the element stars, and here are stars, and here we have it. I'm going to add not photos but graphics like that. Put it here. For example, I'm going to put a rotation to them. Here we have it. And let's say that this is a post for our Instagram. I'm going to put this together, group them, and move them around. Let's say that we are going to add it right here. Click on share, download it as a PNG, go there and get it right here. This is the first step. Let's say that this is the first product. Go back to Instagram, go to the create. You are going to create a post. Now I'm simply going to drag and drop that post that we have made, and here we have it. It is the right dimensions. Here we have the captions. I'm going to put here the title of that product, which is this. Go back right there, and simply are going to put here a comma, best seller product t-shirt, for example, t-shirt for this summer, like that. I'm going to put simply here the call to action, which is link in bio. Here we have it. This is the call to action. Click on share, and simply we have made the post. This is the first thing. I'm going right there to add another post. For example, let's say here I'm going back to Canva. Let's say I'm going to delete that photo. I'm going to add another photo. I will go to the uploads right here, make it like that. I'm going to put it, or make the position of it to the back, so the sticker will show up. And here we have it. Click on download again, download it as a PNG, and simply are going to Instagram again. Click on create post. Here you can use this method for multiple posts or multiple products. It is not stuck for this only product. This is just an example on how you can do that. So we are going to make this a number 2 post, for example. I'm going to put here the title of that product. You can go ahead and put a digital product if you want. It is up to you. Now I'm going to put you can get like that, get this product in link in bio, for example, bio. And here we have it. Click on share, and now it is the turn of the link tree. Let's say that we have the product, we have everything right there, we have everything set up from the top to the bottom. Right here I'm going right there to the shop again. Now I'm going to here we have the listing. You can go ahead and see that right there. Let's see that we can go ahead and preview it. We are simply going to the preview. Here we have the preview. I'm going to get that link for this particular t-shirt or product. As you can see, when I see my store here, I have the products. The recent products is not showing yet, but this is an example. You can get here the as you can see, the URL or the link. You are simply going to copy the link for the first product, go to Linktree, sign in for your account, click on add link. Here we are going to put the URL right there, add it. Here we are going to add it, and simply we have it, etsy.com listing number. And for the title, you can go ahead and put the title of it. Let's say here, I'm going back right there and get that specific product name. Stock your shop again. Here we have it, premium neck. I'm going to copy that link or copy that text, put it right there, put it like that, and simply we have the thumbnail. You can go ahead and set the thumbnail. I'm going right here to put that thumbnail like this, crop it, upload it, and it will show up right there. This is for the first one. And the second one, when you finish it, you can go ahead and add the other product link also. I'm going right there, go to my store, and also get that link, copy the link, go to Linktree, add it right there, add it. Simply, I'm going to put any title, for example, a t-shirt or whatever, like that. And here we have it. And for the thumbnail, it is vital to put the thumbnail to make the customer see the thumbnail that you have added, for example, like that. And the final step right here is to get these or this Linktree link. Click on share, and you can get the Linktree right there, copy it, go back to the Instagram, edit your profile, and if you are on the mobile version, you are going to put simply the website right there. If you are not in the mobile version like me and you are on the desktop version, you are going simply to set or put the link on the bio like that. But I highly recommend you to put it as a website since it will be clickable. That was very easy. That was very simple and easy to do. I hope you guys that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.